Welcome to Build Your Anatomy. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best bodyweight exercises that will transform your body in just 2 weeks. The 5th exercise is a game changer, so watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Jumping jacks are a fantastic aerobic exercise that burns fat and strengthens muscles. They help develop coordination, balance, and flexibility, making your body more fit and agile. This exercise primarily targets the gluteal muscles, hip flexors, and quadriceps. Additionally, the abdominal muscles, back muscles, and the muscles of the back of the thigh are also engaged. The swinging of the arms works the deltoid muscles. Jumping jacks have a minimal impact on ligaments and joints, unlike running, which heavily loads the knees. They effectively warm up both the upper and lower body, increasing heart rate and preparing muscles and joints for more intense exercise. Jumping jacks also improve endurance, allowing you to handle longer and more intense workouts in the future. To perform jumping jacks correctly, stand straight with your feet together and arms at your sides. Bend your knees slightly and jump, spreading your legs to the sides while raising your arms above your head. Land softly on the balls of your feet. Then jump back to the starting position, bringing your arms down and legs together. The bodyweight squat is a compound exercise that engages many muscle groups, including the quadriceps, anterior, posterior, and inner thighs, gluteal muscles, psoas muscles, back muscles, and the soleus and calf muscles. Strengthening these muscles improves overall movement, form, balance, mobility, and posture. Squats also help strengthen tendons, ligaments, and bones, reducing the risk of injury. Squats burn a significant number of calories. According to Harvard Medical School, a 150-pound person can burn approximately 220 kilocalories by doing squats for 30 minutes. Squats also strengthen the cardiovascular system by requiring increased cardiovascular effort. To perform squats correctly, stand straight with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart and your back straight. Inhale, engage your core, and begin to lower yourself by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, ensuring your heels stay grounded and your back remains straight. Exhale and rise back to the starting position. Burpees are a versatile and challenging exercise that works many major muscle groups, including the quadriceps, biceps, pectoral muscles, gluteal muscles, abdominal muscles, back, and shoulders. Burpees are excellent for building strength and endurance, burning calories, and improving cardiovascular health. Regularly performing burpees can also relieve stress and improve mood. To perform burpees correctly, start with your feet shoulder-width apart, then squat down and place your palms on the floor. Jump your feet back to a plank position, ensuring your body is straight. Lower your body to the floor by bending your elbows. Push back up to the plank position, jump your feet back to your hands, and jump up, clapping your hands overhead. Push-ups are a top strength exercise using body weight, engaging multiple muscles, including the triceps, deltoids, pectoralis major and minor, serratus anterior, abdominals, and legs. Push-ups help strengthen the elbow and shoulder joints, increase blood flow, and promote healthy joint function. They also enhance muscle endurance, strength, and overall physical condition. To perform push-ups correctly, start in a plank position with your body in a straight line, hands under your shoulders and feet together. Inhale, bend your elbows, and lower your body until your chest touches the floor. Exhale and push back up to the starting position, maintaining a straight body line. Mountain climbers are based on the plank position and involve alternately pulling the knees to the chest. This exercise provides a good cardio workout, burns calories, and strengthens the cardiovascular system. It also engages the abdominal muscles, arms, back, glutes, thighs, and lower legs. To perform mountain climbers correctly, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Draw one knee towards your chest, keeping your torso steady. Return the leg to the starting position and repeat with the other leg, alternating continuously. Incorporating these 5 bodyweight exercises into your routine will help you achieve a well-rounded and strong physique in just 2 weeks. Remember to focus on proper form and consistency to maximize your results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out other videos on this channel, Build Your Anatomy, for more tips and workouts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.